discovery, a body in the back of a pickup.
And the person driving that body around is now on the run. Fox News' Jessica Dupnack joins us live with more. Jess, how did this all unfold?
Well, it was amazing. It went from a crash scene to a crime scene just like that. It was right behind me here in Roseville. The scene has been cleared, but you can picture it, right? Officers get on scene. The driver of a blue pickup, nowhere to be found. So they open the hatch of that pickup, and that's when they find the body. Now, we don't know a ton about who this person is, but what we do know is Roseville police, they are on an all-out hunt for the driver still on the run.
Pretty troubling to see.
Roseville police officers called to what they thought was a typical two-car fender bender Thursday afternoon here at Hayes and Common, right on the Warren border. No driver of this blue pickup truck in sight. Witnesses say he ran from the scene, and this is probably why.
They checked the pickup truck for information. When they opened up the bed of the pickup truck, they found a deceased person in the bed of the trunk.
A shock to say the least, but that's really all police are saying. As of Thursday afternoon, nothing yet from investigators, with the major incident team now working the case on how they think this person died or what kind of foul play is going on here.
We believe it was just a regular rear-end traffic crash. We don't believe at this time that the deceased has anything to do with the accident. We think the body was already in the back of the truck.
It happened right in a neighborhood, so police are gathering video evidence from home surveillance cameras. And of course, that truck leaving behind some clues as to who might have run from the scene, leaving that body behind.
We have a good idea who we think he is. We're still looking for him, and we're still looking for him at this time.
So it does sound like the blue pickup truck rear-ended another vehicle. That driver stayed at the scene, of course, gave some statements to police. But Roseville investigators, they are asking anybody that was in this area, maybe saw someone running in the area right around noon today, to please call police if you've any information. But again, that driver is on the run. Reporting live in Roseville, Jessica Dupnack, Fox 2 News.
Again, like you said, police sound like they do know who they're looking for when it comes to the driver of the pickup. But what about the body found in the back? Has maybe perhaps anybody been missing? Do police have any idea who that person might be?
Yeah, they won't say anything, not male, not female, not race or anything like that. But I did get the indication they're taking it very seriously. They had a lot of investigators, a lot of manpower out here. So it definitely sounds like there is some kind of foul play involved. But as to what specifically, we just don't know yet.
Yes.